Hi guys, welcome on my YouTube channel CrochetPinkPumpkin. Today I'm gonna show you how to do la demi-bride for French term, half double crochet US term, or half treble crochet in UK term. If you hear someone snoring next to me, that's my dog, so sorry about that. So once you are done with your chain, you see the first chain stitch, the second chain stitch, you go to the third one, so you will jump the two first chain stitches because at the height of one half double crochet. So you do one yarn over, you go to the third chain stitch, I put in slow motion, you slide your hook in this chain stitch, second yarn over, you pass it through the chain stitch, you have 3 loops on the hook, third yarn over, you pass it through the 3 loops, there you go. So we do it again, first yarn over, second yarn over, third yarn over. Voila. So just so you know, for half double crochet you need 3 yarn over. That may be an easy way to remember how to do it, because if you do a double crochet it's 4 yarn over. So now to turn the work you do 2 chain stitches because that's the height of one half double crochet, and you keep going. There you go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see all my crochet tutorial, and I see you very soon. Bye bye.